Ever stare at a blank Canva slide, coffee getting cold, thinking, I'll never post another quote without crying into my coffee? What if I told you there's a way to create 400 plus viral quote posters, sell them today, and look like a design pro? No tears, no fancy degree, no NASA level skills required? Stay tuned. This one's worth it. Hey there, I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. I've been in affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years, built six-figure funnels, and yes, I know the difference between hype and real profit. Today, we're diving into Pro Quote Pack, a suite of ready-made quote posters and graphics that can actually make you money fast. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, even if your design skills are zero, why it's a shortcut to profit, which OTOs are actually worth your time, and a little secret bonus from me that will save you hours. Before we dive in, I've put together exclusive bonuses you can only get through my link in the description. Templates, swipe copy, and a plug-and-play mini sales page. Basically a cheat code for instant results. Stick around because these bonuses multiply your profit potential. So what exactly is this? Pro Quote Pack is a ready-made collection of modern, stylish quote posters. Perfect for social media marketers, freelancers and designers, entrepreneurs needing lead magnets. Anyone who wants to make content look pro fast. 2 front-end options: developer license $14.95, using client work or your own projects. PLR license $19.99. Rebrand and sell as your own product, unlimited copies, all profits yours. Everything is in PowerPoint, Windows and Mac, all fonts included, so you don't have to worry about messy design software or hidden fees. If you've ever wasted hours trying to make a Canva post look professional enough, this is your fast track out. How it works. Pick your pack, developer or PLR. Honestly, the PLR is where the magic happens if you want to sell. Edit, swap fonts, tweak colors, add your logo. You can literally do this in 2 to 3 clicks. And yes, your cat can sit on your keyboard while you do it. No problem. Export and sell, post to Instagram, sell on Etsy, use as lead magnets, or bundle into a paid product. Boom, content empire in a few clicks. It's so easy it's almost criminal. You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard or host NASA-level servers. Just click, tweak, and publish. Why this works in the real world. Speed, 400 plus templates ready to go. Batch content in minutes instead of days. Profitability. PLR license equals unlimited resale, one-time buy, potentially infinite upside. Versatility. Social posts, printable art, lead magnets, digital packs. Monetize however you like. Beginner-friendly. Fonts included, PowerPoint ready, no design course required. Scalable. Freelancers, agencies, or membership sites, you can expand quickly. Real example, I used the PLR pack to create a 30-item Instagram carousel in under 90 minutes. Engagement was 3x my usual rate. Not magic, just good visuals plus my bonus templates. Let's get practical. Hiring a designer for 10 quality quote posts? Easily 200 plus. Buying a single template? $20 to $50 per pack, usually one-time use only. Canva Pro subscription? Start $13 a month, still requires design time. Here, $14.95 to $19.99 one time. You get hundreds of templates, PLR resale rights, and the ability to make multiple revenue streams. One sale covers your investment, and then it's pure profit. OTO 1, Pro Quote Pack extended with PLR. $37 downsell 27, 600 plus quote posters, complete reseller toolkit, and mega bonuses. Perfect if you want a product line or to sell packs on marketplaces. Freelancers, this is your shortcut to client-ready content. OTO 2, Graphic Mega Bundle, $67, a complete library of best-selling graphics. If you're building a store, membership site, or premium social media package, combine with the Quote Pack, instant pro-level catalog. I ran a test with the PLR pack, made a carousel, added my bonus templates, and posted it on Instagram. Within 48 hours, engagement tripled. I even sold one mini bundle on Etsy that afternoon. No over-the-top funnels, no crying into coffee, just clean, ready-to-use templates that convert. Let's be honest, not a replacement for a full brand designer if you need custom logos, multi-page brand books, or vector artwork. Not a set-it-and-forget-it scheme. You still need a little marketing savvy. If you hate promoting your products or engaging online, this isn't for you. Imagine this. In one afternoon, you turn content panic into a sellable product or social campaign that looks premium. Your coffee stays warm because you're not stuck staring at a blank page, and sales can actually start rolling in. Prices like these don't last forever. OTOs stack insane value for a tiny price. If you want to stop wasting time and start creating profitable content, this is your shortcut. Grab it, slap your brand on it, and start scaling your digital products today. Links are in the description. I highly recommend the PLR option if you want serious profit potential. And don't forget my exclusive bonuses from testedapps.com to speed everything up. If this video helped, smash that like, subscribe for more no-fluff funnels, and comment below. Which platform will you sell on? Etsy, Gumroad, or your own store? I'll reply. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. Keep it simple, keep it profitable, and go make something people can't ignore. Catch you in the next one. Peace.